Hey guys, welcome back to an app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wix CMS and repeaters. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you use repeaters here with the usage of CMS. Now, we all know that CMS is a great way for you to manage your data, but how do you connect it to repeaters, or how do you utilize it in repeaters? Well, in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to access our editor here. So in our editor, what we need to do is we need to actually click on the CMS button. Let's go and choose CMS. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to actually create our own data. So in this case, you go and click on create collection here. And from here, just add a name. So start from scratch here. Click on Next and add the product, your collection name, the site collection ID here. And once you've done that, you should be able to create your own collection and basically add new items on it. This case, since I already created mine, to save some time here, we could go ahead and just click on the Manage Content option here. And from here, I have already created this fruits section. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on it so that we'll be able to manage it. Now from here, if you want to add, so by default we only have the title section, but if you want to add other columns here, go ahead and click on the add field option, choose your data type. So if you want to add a picture, make sure to choose the image type here. If you want to add, like for example, some descriptions or rich text here, go ahead and choose either text or rich text here, or rich content, so that include links and media as well. And also in the media video section here. So depending on what you need on your website, go ahead and choose the appropriate one. So in this case, I've actually added the image here, as well as a description, as well as a title. So in this case, you could go ahead and just click on that section, add the description, add the title. So this one is pretty basic, but then again, if you want more complicated formatting, you could go and choose the appropriate one or the type of field. In this case, once you're done, this will automatically save the things that you've added here. So you can just directly close it by clicking on the X at the top right. Now, since we've added our CMS, we now need to add our repeaters. So to add our repeaters, we need to click on the plus button at the top left here, and you want to go to list and you want to go to repeaters. Now in here, you can go ahead and choose your own formatting. So in this case, I'll be using this one. Let's go and drag it into our website here. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to format it. So let's go ahead and click on our repeater here. You want to click on manage items, and you want to go ahead and start editing them. In this case, just click on the connect to data here. So if you don't want to manage them, or in this case, if you don't want to basically change it or manually, just need to click on the connect to data option here. And once you've done that, it should open up the connect repeater option here. But if you don't see it, just click on connect to data here. That should automatically open it up. Now we have our columns here, or in this case our fields. We have our image, text again, and background here. So in this case, you go and click on image here first, and you want to actually connect it to a dataset. Let's go and choose our dataset here. So I'll be using the fruits dataset that we just created. And from here, we want to choose the image source to connect to. I'm going to choose image, which is the image that I've actually used before, or in my dataset, like what I saw before. The alt text connects to the following. So if you want to see, or in this case, if you want to use the description or title, go ahead and do that. So this is just another text. Tooltip connects to, so you could go and choose that. But we are good with this one, so let's just go back for now. Now, in this case, the next thing you want to do is you want to connect your text. So whenever you hover something, it's going to show it in here. So as you can see right now, it's being highlighted. Let's go and choose this one. And we want to actually connect this into our title. Let's go and choose our title here. And from here, we are now good. Let's just go back. Same thing. You want to go ahead and connect this to your text again. And so the second text here, this will be our description. So go and choose our fruits dataset here. And from here, we want to click on the description here. So let's go choose description. And once you've done that, that should connect your dataset. Let's go and click on view all page datasets here. So you'll be able to see it. So as you can see, we have our dataset. Now, once you've connected every items that we have right now, we now need to preview this, because sometimes it might not immediately show itself in here. So in this case, just click on preview at the top right, and that should give you the current preview of your items. As you can see, these are the items that we just added into our CMS. Now in this case, again, if you don't see it immediately, you need to go ahead and basically preview it first. And once you actually go back to your editor, it should now have the updated look on it. Now in this case, you can go and start customizing it as you want. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.